Kwa ihinda iraya ruriri rwa maathai ni rũĩkaine na urithia wa mahiu, ũndũ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũrĩ ũndũire wao. No ica ikuhĩ, Mbeu njithi kuuma mwena wa Narok ni mambĩrĩirie urimi wa njuki, ũndũ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩmarehera mbeca. Benjamin Lemoi ni mũrũgamĩrĩri wa gikundi kia Maasai beekeeping.
We are 284 farmers in number, of which 61 are women. We have also inside us we have seven beekeeping groups that are doing beekeeping as groups. So far we have 51 beehives.
Ni marauga thoko ni nene ya uuki wao.
Our customers are Maasai Mara camps and lodges. Our other customers are hotels in Nairobi, for example, Kempiski Hotel and Tikasa hotels. But large quantity of honey we are selling it to Kikorok and Sarofa in Maasai Mara.
Mũmbunge wa Gũthukio David Sankok ni oretie thirikari cia kaunti kũhe Mbeu njithi kanya ga kuonjorithia.
We need to protect all our citizens. Na serikali mzuri ni serikali ambao inashika mkono wale walio chini, sio wale wako juu. Wale already wako juu wataki kushikwa mkono. Wale wanataka kushikwa mkono ni wale ambao wana biashara wako chini.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Muthoni wa Njoroge.